Hi, today is the third day of our summer recreational workshop, and I'm extremely glad that today the most efficient person who can create the creativity in the minds and hearts of the students is here. There is no other person but Mr. Ravi Talluri. You can see in the background how effectively the students are putting their hands and minds to create something out of nothing. You can see that they are using raw newspapers, raw cardboard boxes, something like that. But in spite of that, you can look at the screen what project Ravi has given them. And since last maybe more than 4 hours, they are happily busy in carrying on this project. Total credit goes to Ravi Talluri. I really appreciate for his kind services. Thank you, Ravi. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, I welcome Mr. Ravi to our helping team. And today he took a very awesome workshop and very awesome. I was going in my childhood memories. In our summer vacation, we used to do all this creativity. And I appreciate all your hard work. And I hope the will do in home also. In this today's world, they are in mobile only. And now they will take time to do something creativity in their home also. So thank you, Mr. Ravi.
Thank you very much. Okay.
So first of all, I would like to thank Mr. Ravi Talluri for conducting such an interactive session with the students. Although this time I'm very happy that all the students participated. The thing is that. So they have given the base materials. With that, they have made some useful things. And it was very interactive. All the students participated. And this kind of creativity is the thing that we need in today's world, that we are missing today in this world. So I really, really appreciate Mr. Ravi Talluri for giving us such a creative session. Thank you.